Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Garlic ranch firecrackers. Take one. All right, guys. This is just a mix that you're going to sit around and eat while you're watching TV or traveling down the road. So first off, we're going to put in half a pound of pretzels. This is a pound bag, so we're just going to eyeball it. Put in half of them. And Cheez-Its. We're going to put in 2 cups of those. I bought everything to do this, but I wanted to try it. And then we can't eat it until tomorrow, because it's got to stick.
What?
I know. You'll be wanting it, won't you?
Yeah.
You're going to have the stuff without it on there. I knew that was a little too many.
Oh, no, it ain't too many. It'd be all right.
All right. 2 cups of Cheez-Its. 2 cups of goldfish. Let's see how much is in here. Let's measure. Hopefully I got enough. If not, we don't worry about it. Ooh, we got a little too much. The great-granddaughter might like the rest of those without some fire sauce on them.
Or grandpa.
No. We got her coming around now. She's eating. She's an eating machine. All right. 2 cups of goldfish. I got the cheddar. And look at this. The rice chex. They was on clearance for $1. I couldn't believe it. I said, well, yeah, that's the ones I was looking for anyway. For $1. I'll take it. All right. Now you got some cereal you can eat with your mouth. He's like, no, it's too plain for me. All right. 2 cups of rice chex going in. All right. Now, we're just going to mix all that up. Give that a little mixy mix there. And as for our seasonings, I have like the ranch packet mix. The packet is what I put in here, and it was 4 tablespoons. So just 1 packet. Garlic salt, 3 teaspoons. Cayenne pepper, 1 1/4 teaspoons. That's where the firecracker comes in. Plus, I put in a teaspoon of pepper flakes because we like pepper flakes. So that's all going in. And we're going to mix all that up. Get them all coated there. And then it takes 1 1/4 cup of oil. Now, you use what you want. You can use vegetable oil. You can use avocado. You can use olive oil. I'm using olive oil, and I had to go get a new one. So, everything's new today. Our olive oil was so old because we don't use it much anymore. We use bacon grease and tallow and butter, so we don't use olive oil much, and I didn't want to use it after it's been like 2 years. All right, so 1 1/4 cups. And this is the light. It's for salads and marinades, so it shouldn't have too strong a taste. And we're just going to pour that all in there.
Just like that, huh?
Just like that. And give it another mixy mix so it's all coated. Now, if you don't want to put this in the oven, you do not have to. You can just do it like this and just keep stirring it ever so often. You know, putting it in the bag or whatever. But we are going to bake ours. We're going to put them on a baking sheet. I got 2 sheets out here because I don't know if it's going to take 1 or 2. And Oven preheated to 200 degrees. And then we're going to put this in there for about 20 minutes, and we're going to stir it about halfway through.
So baking it helps it all the stuff soak in.
Mm-hmm.
But will it make the crackers soggy?
No. We made the firecrackers that time without all the garlic and all that, and those are addictive with saltines.
Mm-hmm.
That's what he's been wanting, and I was like, well, I got this recipe. I want to try this. So we are doing it this way first.
So we'll try something new.
Yeah.
And you could probably even add some peanuts or something in that if you want.
You can add whatever you want, guys. If you don't want to put what I got, you put what you want.
I bet peanuts would be good in that too.
Well, it makes it so versatile.
Of course, being hot, I don't know.
All right. Put this in there. 200 degrees for 20 minutes, and I'm going to stir in 10 minutes, and we'll be back when we take it out of the oven. All right, guys, I had them in the oven for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. I stirred halfway in between, and then I took them out and I put them both on one tray, and then I've still just been stirring them just a little bit to get that oil all mixed up. And when I do it again, I would just do 1 cup of oil instead of 1 1/4. I think it's too much, but it might not be in the long run when they set and it soaks it up. All right. Let's give her a taste. I'm going to take a pretzel, and one, and a cheese. One of each. Well, at least now the rice Chex has some flavor. Before, they're just plain. They have no flavor. Has flavor now.
Cool.
So good.
So that's going to be a good snack.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Yes, it will. Guys, give this one a try. It is a little salty because of that garlic salt probably. So maybe if you want to do half garlic powder, half garlic salt, that may be a little different. But it is a little salty. And we like salt.
I'll say I'm good with salt.
So if you don't like salt, you might not want to use all the garlic salt. Cut back on that a little bit. Now, I'm going to show you some benches that Bill has put together. Okay, the great-granddaughter's birthday is in June. She'll be 1, and this is her bench. And he made it for her birthday. And we're not done with it yet. We still have to poly it. This one is made out of oak that we had out in the shed. So it'll be special. So her name is Amari. And then I got the ABCs. And then the 1, 2, 3s. And I'm debating on whether to put something on the front here. If anybody has any suggestions on what to put on the front, leave a comment below. Because I'm like, I don't know what to do besides the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. So this is hers, and I can still put that on before I poly it. Once I poly it, I can't do anything. So we still got a little bit of time yet. And then here is another one that my nephew ordered for somebody. And this one, her name is Willow. And then I got the ABCs. And then the 1, 2, 3s right here. And this one is going to be stained and polyed. So, remember, they're still unfinished yet, but they look pretty cool. And we're advertising our buddy's Jack's equipment. I got dirt all over my shirt now. For the Bad Boy Lawnmowers. Gives us a hat and t-shirts. So give him a check. You're local. He's in Greenfield, Ohio and Chillicothe, Ohio. All right. I think we covered everything. So
sound like.
You want to try it? Just take you a little sample.
Oh, I want to try it.
See what you say. Can't get him on camera, but let's see what he says. Like it?
Oh, I do like that.
All right. So this is going to be good, guys. And once that cools down and everything just soaks in.
Yeah, tomorrow that'll be fantastic.
So like, comment, share, hype, do all the good stuff. And we'll see you next time. We haven't been doing a whole lot of videos, but we're going to get right back into it because my knee, I've been released. So from no more therapy, I can bend it now. I can walk normal. So we're doing good. Thanks for all the prayers. And we will see you next time. Peace out. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.